I am joined today by Anthony Shaw from Microsoft. He'll be joining us for the Python Web Conference this year in March. Anthony, give a quick introduction. Tell folks who you are.
Yeah, my name's Anthony Shaw. I'm a developer advocate at Microsoft, and basically I look at how Python can be deployed onto Microsoft Azure.
What can folks expect to hear from you during your talk this year?
So my talk is actually going to be about load testing in general, so how to design a load test and how to think about simulating user traffic and user load, and then how to analyze the data to figure out, okay, like where should I optimize my site? How many users can I expect? I think people go into this topic often and just say, okay, how many requests a second can my site deal with?
Right.
And that
Yep.
number is effectively useless because every page on your site will give you a different number, and the inputs that the users put in will be probably give different results as well. So there's so many factors to consider with load testing. I just want to give an overall view of the topic, give people some guidance, and then show them some tools and some patterns for doing it effectively.
That's perfect. You'll be able to combine your talk with Michael Kennedy's talk on using a CDN with your Python application. The 1-2 punch for application performance. That's super cool. Again, can't wait to hear that talk. You'll be joining us that week for the conference itself. What are you looking forward to during Python Web Conference?
Just the breadth of talks and getting up to date on some of the newer web technologies that have been updated in the last year, and see where things are going. I mean, there's kind of a big shift towards like API backends and then more sort of static front ends, and then trying to build things on technologies like HTTPX. So yeah, it's interesting to kind of see where that's going.
Yeah, async and static typing and type hints are going to be really big topics, I think, at the conference this year as well. So I'm excited for that as well. Luckily, when the talks are all done, you can actually watch them about 10 minutes later on the platform. So don't worry about missing something. You'll be able to watch it
Okay.
later. And I appreciate your comment about the breadth of speakers. We've worked hard, and it's an amazing group of people. And I feel honored that you all have chosen to join us for Python Web Conference.
Yeah, no, it's a pleasure. I'm really looking forward to it.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Anthony. We'll see you then.